We are coming up on a year since the coronavirus struck as a global pandemic, and in Lauderdale County, numbers are starting to rapidly decrease. Twin States News' Keaundria Milloy has more.
Nearly a year into the pandemic, COVID-19 cases in Mississippi have almost reached the peak of 300,000 with over 600 deaths. Lima Director Odie Barrett says despite these high numbers, cases are lowering by the week in Lauderdale County.
We're averaging about 6 cases per day in Lauderdale County this past week. So statewide last year we only had 5 cases, and then now we're looking at a downward trend.
And with the mask mandates still enforced in some cities like Meridian, Barrett says to stay cautious even though the numbers are not skyrocketing anymore.
But that didn't mean that we no longer have to be cautious and not go around with a mask on when we need to. It goes back to personal responsibility.
Now, during the pandemic, the Lauderdale Emergency Management Agency has worked tremendously hard in keeping down the spread of COVID-19 by providing PPE over the course of 1 year.
You know, we came together and set up mask distribution sites and was able to get well over 100,000 masks out to the public.
Barrett says looking back over the pandemic, we've come a milestone with being able to administer 3 options of a vaccine.
You know, averaging 1,200 doses a day between the 2 sites. Hopefully in short time coming we'll have at least 1 more site that we can have set up.
Keaundria Milloy, Twin States News, Lauderdale County.